nice and friendly. Too many things in my head. Welcome. Hopefully this will be nice and easy for you. The first thing I need you to do is you need to go to this page right here. Actually, we'll do this first. Go into your Canvas sandbox. Whatever, if you have a sandbox, go into that and create a page and just call it your home page. So go into Canvas. So like what I did here. Actually, I'll do this one here. Okay, so I'm going to come into here. I'm going to go into Pages. Okay. I'm going to press Create a New Page, and I'm just going to call it Home Page, because that's where we're doing. That's where everything we're doing today is going to go. Speak up if you didn't. If I need to go over that again.
Oh, okay, do that one more time from the start, please.
All right. So you. This is actually, I'll just go home. Okay. This is. Imagine this is your home page right now on Canvas. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. You go to Pages. You click on Pages. You hit the plus button, and you just title it Home Page. Title Home Page, and then you save and publish. That's where we're going to put everything today. Again, make sure you sign into Eduphoria. You might also I would suggest putting your name in the chat, and that way we can make sure that if for whatever reason Eduphoria didn't get you, we have documentation that you were in class. So make sure so we can get your exchange time. All right, so this is our home page. Now, what I would suggest you do now is create 2 more pages, because I'm going to show you how to link them. So again, you go to Edit. Actually, I'm sorry. You go to Pages. You add a page, and right here, I added a bell schedule. I added a practice class. I added a syllabus. This is to show you how to link. Yeah, so while I'm dealing with this, go ahead and create a couple pages. Just you don't have to put anything on them. Just give yourselves titles for them. Like here, home page, practice class. All I did was create a title. There's nothing there. Mr. Barton, you got it now?
Yeah.
Good. All right. So now that we've gone to Canvas and created that little home page, which we will work on in a second. What I need you guys to do now is go to this website right here. It is called canva.com. Canva.com. And you're going to create an account. You can use your school email. It is a free site. It will not cost you anything, but that's where we're going to get our designs from. So go to canva.com.
Can I log in with Google?
What's that?
Oh, I don't have an account yet.
No, just it's free. And your Google, I just use your school email.
Okay.
You just create it's absolutely free. They won't charge you, take your credit card or anything. Have I lost anybody yet?
I'm on the page that says who's on your team.
Okay, all right. Okay, I thought I had the.
Ooh. I
Alright.
did this wrong.
This is what Canva.com looks like. You see that?
Okay, not where I'm not where I'm supposed to be. Hold on. There's always one person. That's me. So I went to canva.com. Okay, I'm on the same page you are.
All right, excellent. And we have a lot of people just joined in. Let's go back and get those people caught up. I'm Mr. Mack. What I suggest you do, first thing you need to do, those of you who just joined in, is go into Canvas and go to your sandbox. If you do not have a sandbox, sandbox is just where you can play. You go to dashboard, and right here on the right-hand side, it says start a new course. Start a new course. And you're going to call a sandbox. Or well, that's typically what the district generically calls it. So you click on create a sandbox, and you have yourself a course. After you have created your course, I need you to go to pages. It's over here on the left-hand side. In the first page, when you click on pages, you're going to see this blue button over here on the left or right. You press that, and you give it, the first page needs to be a home page. So title it home page. And then create two other pages. Like, for example, I made a page for bell schedule. I made a page for syllabus. Okay. All right. Have I lost anybody? If you have any questions, speak up. I guess I can use the chat, but if you have any questions, speak up.
Do we save or save and publish?
Save and publish, because your course isn't published, so you can save and publish. Nobody's going to see it. Those of you who are have signed in, just signed in, even though hopefully you have logged on to Eduphoria and signed up for the class, we know how weird our websites are sometimes. I strongly suggest you type your name in the chat room. That way I can reconcile the names with Chastity later to make sure that you're getting credit for this class. All right, so once you've created your pages, your home page, I need you to go to this website right here. You're going to go to canva.com, canva.com. It looks like Canvas, but it's just Canva. All right. Once you get into Canva, it's going to look like this. If it doesn't look like this, refresh your screen. Have I lost anybody yet?
Mm-mm.
All right. So the first thing we're going to do, we need to create our banner. So you're going to go up here to where it says create a design and click on it. Then you're going to go to custom dimensions because you're going to tell it how big you want it. Now, we're making our banner, so it's got to be kind of big. So we're talking pixels here. So you're going to go 600 for the width, and the height is going to be 150. 600 by 150. Then you're going to go create a new design. So on the left hand side, you have a whole menu of different banners you can choose from. What we discovered last week, or the last classes, some of these are not free. So like this one, if you see, it says free on here. Some of them are not free. So if you pick it, they're going to try to charge you for it. And we don't want to pay. So pick one that's free and click on it. So there you go. And then here, once you click on it, you need to delete their writing so you can put in your own.
Wait a minute. Walk that back. You said to choose the one I wanted.
Was that sorry?
Okay, so I chose one. What did I have to do next?
Okay, take out all the writing.
Oh,
So
got you.
like right here, I have a blank slate.
Okay.
Okay, and then you're gonna go over here to text, and you're gonna say add a heading. I would make this large. So I would make it 21 or even more than that, because this is your banner for your class. And then center it. And it'll tell you when it's centered. See those lines right there? That's telling you it's centered. Okay? And now you type in your whatever class you have. French, ESL, credit recovery, world class. Please speak up if you're lost. If I lose you at all, please let me know. So I'm not checking the chat. I'm not wanting to check chat. Let's see.
Hey, Mr. Mack,
Yes.
I deleted my whole text box. Is there any way you can, how do I get that back?
If it doesn't click, just refresh and just try again. Actually,
Oh, okay.
you have this page. You just had add a heading and it should show up again.
Okay. Also, Coach Irvin, the service kicked him out. Can you let him back in the room?
Yes, I can. Here I go.
Thank you.
All right. So we've got our world geography banner. What? Okay. All right. Okay. So. All right, so now we have our homepage, we have our banner. So what you need to do is get into your Canvas page. So where it says download, click on that. It's going to be on the upper right. And click on download. All right.
Lost me.
What's that?
Sorry, where do we download?
Where it says right here, download on the upper right.
The upload.
You don't see download right here? See what I'm
Oh,
at?
sorry, sorry. My right and left got mixed up, sorry.
All right, so now we go to Canvas. And you're going to be on your home page, whatever you titled your home page. Okay, you're going to edit, and you're going to have a screen like this. Let me know if you are not on this page. I'm back on the Canvas page. All right. So now you want to bring that picture over. So you go to, here's a chain link. We don't want that right now. We'll use that later. The next one is your image upload.
Eric, I'm sorry.
Yes.
Sorry, Eric. Can you back up again? I went back to my sandbox, and then where do I go after that?
Okay, you go to your pages and whatever page you created for your home page.
Oh, okay.
Okay. You got it now?
I don't know. View all pages.
I'm on pages. And now, did you create a page that you're going to use as your home page?
I thought I did. Okay, pages.
If you need to do it again, just click on page. And all you need to do is just type home page.
Okay, I got that. Then get me to where you got after that.
Okay. Well, I just I click on whatever page I'm using as my home page, and I clicked on it. And now that's where I am.
Okay.
And then you go to edit. You click on edit. Because we're changing the home page. This is where everyone should be now. Again, this is your link. This is your link where if you want to link a website, we're going to talk about that in a little bit. This is where we're going to download our image. So click on that. Click on upload this image. And then you got this dialog box. Click anywhere. And now you got to find your image, which sometimes can be interesting.
Save it to my desktop. Oh, there it is.
So, like for me, sometimes it's hard to find these.
Again,
So,
trying to do a home page.
All right. I'm about to leave.
Okay, sweetie.
two. Yeah. There you go. Okay. I'll try this again. All right. So you go find your image, which hopefully you have. Okay. There you go. And you're going to open it. And there you go. And then you're going to save. Click submit. And there is your banner. Anybody need help on that? For me, it was just trying to find it on my computer. Any questions?
Could you repeat, once you go to your home page in your sandbox, where do you find the upload? Where do you find that? If
Okay.
you're in your home page.
Okay, right here, you see this link? It's the one, next one over. It says
With the
upload
little-
image. What's that?
Okay, upload image
Yes, ma'am.
is what we, okay, so upload image.
Yes, ma'am. And then you're going to get a dialog box like this,
Yes.
okay? Then you're going to click anywhere in that box. And then, depending on what computer you have, you find the image that you just downloaded. But for me, I save my stuff so many different places, it was hard to find where I put it. Any questions? All right. Now we want to create buttons. Now, like if you remember, let me show you my home page. This is my home page for World Geography. Every one of these has a link. Some of these links are to a map or to a website, and these links will link me to pages. That's what I want to do. What I want to show you how to do. You can build as many as you want. You can make them any color you want. You can do emojis, which you'll see in a second, or Bitmojis, I should say. But this is what you ultimately want it to look like, and hopefully a lot better than this. So, go back to your home page, my home page. So we're going to go back to Canva. We want to go to home because we're going to create something new. I'll go with that in a second. So we're going to create a new design. So click on a new design. And we're going to go to custom dimensions. Now remember, we're at PX. We don't want our buttons that big. So you're going to go over to PX over here on the far right column. And you're going to change it to centimeters. I'm going to change it to centimeters. Now your buttons could be any shape you want. You could do rectangle. You could start off with a square. If you're going to do rectangle, these are the dimensions I suggest you use: 6 and 3. If you want a square, you're going to do 3 and 3. And that's what I'm going to use as a square. All right, who have I lost so far? Speak up. If you're lost, let me know.
What did you have it in centimeters?
Yes, ma'am, centimeters.
We want to accept, said 6 and 3?
Say yes. Well, if you're doing rectangle, 6 on the left, 3 on the right. If you're doing a square, go 3, 3.
For some reason it did something funky. I'm good.
Anybody else? All right. Well, this is now we're at. This is now we're going to change our color. So you click on the box, and look on the upper left-hand side. This palette right here. This little palette. This is where you change the color of your buttons. And I can, we're blue and orange, so I'm going to use blue and orange. So this one I want to make blue. Okay? I'm going to use my websites. I'm going to use squares. My pages, I'm going to use circles. So this is my first. Anybody have a question? Ms. Zapata, do you have a question?
Oh, say that again. What do you use for websites?
It's just me personally. I use squares for websites, circles for pages. That's just
Okay.
for my mental sanity. All right, so you're gonna go back, go to where it says text over here on the far left. You click on it. Just like we did before, click on add a heading. I strongly suggest up here, as I found this out by trial and error, make these big so the students will see it. I suggest 18 or 16, 16 or 18. Okay? So my first website, I'm going to use, I want my parents to be able to access Remind. So I'm going to just put Remind here. This will be my first button. Answer center anywhere you want it. And if you look, if you notice, when you get to two, if you look, the two right, when you get this, the horizontal and vertical lines, that's telling you that your text box is centered, which is very convenient. Okay?
Now, how did you get the text box?
Go over here to the far left where it says text. See that? On the far left. Mr. Potter, you see it right here?
Yeah, that's your text button.
That's your text button. So you click on that,
It'll put you in Remind.
and then you click add a heading, and this is that, and then they'll give you your text box.
Okay, show me again where you went now.
Click on text on the far left. You see where my pointer is?
I see where it says uploads, elements, text.
Look at the far left corner, far left side of your screen. You see my pointer right here?
No, where's the pointer?
Vertical, that's a vertical toolbox.
Okay, oh, you mean between Remind?
All the way over, the far side of your left side of your screen. Put your hand on the left side of the
Oh.
screen.
Okay, yes.
And click on text. Then you're going to go to add a heading.
Nothing happens when I click on text.
Then you click on add a heading. You go up the dialog box to where it says
Okay.
add a heading. Click on that. Then you'll have your text box. Do you see that?
Yes.
Okay.
Where it says add a heading.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I typed in add a heading.
No, you type in your class, whatever class you're using, whatever class your Canvas page is for. For example, here you type in what website or page you're going to link it to. Like I'm going to use this for Remind, my Remind 101 link.
Is that where you would put your Friday newsletter?
Yeah, in fact, yes, it's an excellent idea.
Okay.
Exactly. You can make a link. You can make a link a page for that. That's an excellent idea. I think I'll put that on my to-do list. Very good. All right. Yes. Any questions?
Not so far.
All right. We're going to add a new page. Another box. Now, again, you can do whatever color you want. I don't want to blue in a row, so I'm going to change this one to orange. Again,
So what did you do with that page, with your Remind page? Did you save it?
it's right up here. I haven't done anything with it yet.
Okay, you just added another one.
Add a new page. Yep. We'll do something with it. We'll download these all together in a second. So now you
Did you
go
add the second page? I'm sorry. How did you
Yeah.
add the second page?
where it says add new page. Right under the box.
Thank you. I see it.
Okay. And so whatever you want to link, if you're going to link a page, you're going to link a website, whatever you're going to call it, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to go over here to the far left. You're going to add a heading. Again, size it. How big do you want your heading? And then call it. What was it calling this one? Oh, I'm going to call this Bowie website. Now you have two buttons made.
Okay, how many do you suggest altogether? Because you don't want too many to overwhelm them, right?
Right. Well, no, but I mean, like this makes it a lot easier for them to see.
And
So you're right. I mean, I think like right here, I'm going to probably end up with 12. That's to me good enough.
Oh, okay, that's more than what I thought. Okay, yes, I see what you did. I was only looking at your squares.
A lot of people, there are people using the Bitmoji. Like my wife did a Bitmoji. It's very busy. So that's just personal preference.
Yeah, I did
I
it
saw,
too, but I want to learn how to do this one if it's simple.
Yeah.
Yeah, Mr. I can't see your screen anymore. After I asked my first question, now I just see you.
Who?
I don't know what happened. Like I can't see your computer screen.
Who, me?
Hmm?
I'm sharing the screen right now.
Yeah, I can't see it. I think it happened after I asked you my first question about where I added the additional page. And then after that, I just see you. I don't see your screen anymore. And that's what happened the other day when I went to this training. I don't know if it's something I do to see your screen or
I'm sitting there.
do I leave and come back maybe?
I'm going to put you in the waiting room.
Okay.
And I'll bring you back in and see what happens.
So you want me to leave the meeting?
I will put you in the waiting room and I'll bring you back.
Okay.
Did that help? Did that work?
I got it. Thank you.
Okay. All right. All right, so we're going to add another page. Again, I'm not going to do all the buttons. This one I want to make a circle. First thing I suggest you do, if you are doing a shape, the first thing you should do is change the color of the box back to white. I'll show you why in a second.
okay.
So you should be back to a white box. Then, over on the left-hand side, you're going to find a button called Elements. Click on that,
Button called Elements.
Elements. And then you're going to get shapes, you're going to get pictures. You can be all creative as you want. But as you can see, I'm picking a circle. So I click on that. And as once you click on it, it's going to show up in the box.
Go back. Can you go back? Okay, I get the circle. How'd you get the color?
It just automatically went there
Okay.
because it was the default I used last time.
Okay. So they will either be blue or orange.
Or whatever color. If you want to change it again, just go up here.
Okay, so when I go back to just the plain white box, the color code is going to be up there?
Yeah.
This is what I had problems with last time.
Okay. If you click on the box, the color, the palette will show up on the upper left.
Okay. All right. 'Cause
That's
that's what
Yeah, that's where you change it.
Awesome, thank you.
So I'm going to change this circle to, or no, I guess I'll keep it blue for now. And you're going to
Okay.
size it so it fills out the whole thing. So now you have a blue circle.
Okay.
Go back to text.
Add heading.
Add heading. And you create another page or a button. I'm going to use this one for syllabus. Again, size it. Center it. Maybe too big. Too big. So I'm going to take it down to 16, 14. And there you go.
Anything about the size of the circle?
What's that?
I just inserted it into my rectangle. That's all I needed to do.
Yeah. I would actually,
Try to size it bigger.
yeah.
Okay.
I need to go back here because I need to see what pages I'm using.
Did you keep everything on the home page, or did you put it like on page 2 and page 3 when you started uploading your buttons and stuff?
I can, let me show you my home page. So we'll get away from this for a second. If you look at my home, my page is here.
And everything's on one page. They don't have to go like click the page down below to go to like,
Right.
Okay.
It's linked to that specific page.
okay,
That's what's so cool about that. It's linked to that specific page, so they don't have to scroll down through the modules.
okay. Because I've seen some that where it had like 3 pages attached to the home page.
Again, I don't want to make my life any harder than it already is.
Yeah.
Okay, so,
Hey, Eric, real quick.
yes, sir.
That last thing that you just showed us, that you have that one home, can you go back to your home page on that? Now, that link address up on the top in the address bar,
Yes.
that one right there, is that what we send to Powell
Yeah.
as, okay,
That's what you link. Once you, and that's why we can't do that right now because we don't have our Canvas page. But yes, this is the name for your course.
so we send that to Powell, she puts it on the newsletter that she's sending out?
Yeah.
And then, okay, very cool, thank you.
Well, and you also, if you're using the newsletter, doing your own, you also put it on there also. If you, let me see if I have it here. Yeah, see, I put it, you would put it
You
right.
just put it on a button or something
Yeah.
like that, okay.
He's got it somewhere. I saw it right here. Canvas course link. You copy it right here.
Okay.
Very cool, thank you.
All right, so go back here. I'm calling this last one
Okay.
a bell schedule, so add a new page. I would suggest that you just copy this. So Command C and Command V. There you go. And then you want to change the color. All right, have I lost anybody yet?
No.
All
I think linking.
Again, go to text. You're going to add a heading. And you're going to call this button whatever you want to call it. Again, I'm going to call mine. I have a page for it. Bell schedule. Okay? Again, you can do as many buttons as you want, but for time, because you guys want to have a lot of stuff to do, I have a lot of stuff to do. I'm only going to do 4 buttons. So now, once you're done here, you're going to download. So you're going to click download. And before you download, I want to point something out to you, and this is really, really super cool. suppose on tomorrow, once you get your new class, you want to add more buttons, or you want to take a button out, or I'm sorry, add more buttons. When you come back here, this keeps everything you've done forever. If you go over here to your home page, it has all your templates, everything you've made. So when you download, you won't have to download all the pages. And okay, I just want this page again. You click on it, and it'll only download that one. But I want to download all pages. So click download. And now it's downloading everything to your computer.
I'm sorry, Eric. Can you go back? Okay, I got all that. And where do I go to download?
Again, just right up here.
Oh,
Right.
I got you. I got you. Thank
Uh-huh. Anybody else?
Nope.
Okay. Now, this isn't a zip file.
I
So-
have a question.
Yes,
When
ma'am.
when you download, it gives you several options. It has JPEG or PD print. Do you see those on yours?
No, mine's saved as a PNG.
A PNG, and that's the suggested one, right?
It depends on your computer.
Okay, because it has a check mark on mine and it says suggested.
Okay.
Okay, thanks.
Uh-huh. So, open this up. Make sure they're open because again, this is it's been zipped. Okay. So now I have them all out. There you go. All right. Now I'm going to go back to my home page. Okay, now you're back on your home page. Go back to where it says to upload an image. You just start, you upload the first image. Okay. For me, I could just drag it. No, depends on what kind of computer you have, I guess.
You can drag and drop them, right? 'Cause that's what I was doing yesterday.
Okay. Now you submit.
Okay.
Okay. Now I did the same thing I did last time. Okay. Okay. So you have to make space like that. Where do you want it to go? So you put your cursor where you want it to go, and now you're going to size it to fit. And you go, and so you're going to have a page like this.
Okay.
All right. Now you put your cursor where you want the next one to go. Okay. So again, go down here, and you're going to upload another image.
Oh, I see why.
Okay. I'm going to upload another image and submit. And again, you size it, but now that you have a model right here, you can just size the next one to be the same size. All right, we'll stop here. If you have any questions, you want me to redo something, let me know.
Now, that explained what I was having problems with yesterday.
I'm dragging mine, but they're not staying put.
What do you have a
I guess
Microsoft or Apple?
Like a Microsoft.
I know with my school computer yesterday, it was hard to drag, so you may just have to click it instead of drag it. Click it to download.
Yeah, that.
I am well, Miss Wooten. I've got my school computer and I'm trying to problem solve, so I'm not ignoring you or anybody else. I'm trying to-
No, I'm saying I'm good. I'm good.
You got it?
Yeah.
All right. All right. So you're going to download another picture or upload another picture. Okay. Obviously, you want to size it up. All right. And we have one more to go. So you upload your last one.
Yeah, okay. I'm sizing down.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
I had to redo one because it didn't come through. So no big deal. Upload image. All right. Now we're going to link them. All right. So how do you link them? You first one I'm going to do is remind. Again, remind is a external link. So whichever one you decided, you get the link for it. This right here, I've already got it done. So Command C. Go back to my home page. It's an external link. If it's a website, it's an external link. So you click on external link, you paste it, and now it's linked. I'll stop. I know that probably lost some people, so let me know if you need any help on that.
I need help.
Okay. Bowie website. This is an external link because it has an external website.
Right.
And so whatever, are you using external or internal for this button?
Oh, I'm going to go external. I just want to know, did you just right click on it or?
I lost you. Repeat that?
Yeah, you click on it and then you go to external link.
Yes, ma'am.
So you click on remind, then external link.
Right. Oh, yeah, or whatever website you're using. Like next one I'm using is the Bowie website. So I'm going to copy the link for Bowie website.
Okay.
Okay.
Hey, Eric, on that remind, let's go back to that remind real quick. You link that remind for them to join. When they click on that, do they automatically join, or do they have to type in?
Yeah, also, I will use that as an example when I show you the finished product.
Okay.
When you click on the button, it will give them the dialogue to type in the code.
Okay,
Okay,
thanks.
so if it's an external link, all we have to do is go to the site, copy the link, paste the link, and then it's automatically linked directly to it.
Right. Make sure you do external link.
Okay.
Okay. So now the two squares, my two external links, are active. So if I were go to my home page, they work, and I'll show you that in a second.
Okay.
All right. Now the circles are my internal links or course links. So bell schedule, same process. Click on the chain link, but this time I'm going to course links right here on the bottom. Click on that. Now, theoretically, anything in Canvas you will be able to link. I think somebody asked me earlier, you can link assignments, you can link modules. Okay? This, I'm going to open my pages. Anybody have a question?
No, I was saying that's pretty cool.
Open up the pages and select whatever page. This is going to be my page bell schedule. It is now linked.
Okay.
Same thing. Syllabus. Click on it. Course links. Find your page. Click on it. You're done. Be sure you press save. I learned that the hard way. You don't press save, everything you just did won't be there. Press save. And now all those links are active.
Okay.
So now if you go to home, okay, look at me.
Okay,
I made
good.
a mistake. Go back to your pages. Now you have to turn it. Now you have to turn it into your home page. So everybody needs to be on this page, so I can show you how to do that. Go to pages. Click on pages. To where you get the list of all your pages.
Mhm.
Let me know if you can't find it.
Click on pages. Okay.
Okay. Speak up if you're lost.
Nope, I'm good this time.
Okay. Now, whatever name you have for it. For me, for example, it's homepage. You're going to go to the three dots on the right-hand side. The district likes to call them snowmen. Snowman, I don't see it. But click on the three dots. And you're going to get a dialog like that. You see that?
Yeah.
You want your home page that we just made to be your front page. So click on it. Click for use as front page. Now your home page is your front page.
Okay.
Oh, it didn't say. That's probably why.
Okay.
Well,
Now go back to your home. Go back to home.
there it goes.
Well, wait. I made it a home page. How come it's not there? We have to do one more thing. On the far right-hand side of this page, it says choose a home page. Click on it. And it tells you on this dialog page, oh, you want this to be your home page. So click on that.
I missed that part. Where was that at?
Okay? You're back on your home page.
Oh, okay.
It should look like this.
Yeah.
You're going to go over to where it says choose a home page. Click on that, and you're going to click where you said your home page is. Which one's going to be your home page? That's what when your students open up the website on Monday, what do you want your kids to see?
Okay.
And that's the home page we just made. So you're going to save that, and there you go. And now all your links work. So this is Remind. Mr. Barton, are you still there? You click on Remind.
Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah, see, I just clicked on Remind. It takes you to find your class. And that's where you put your code in. See that?
Hmm.
So you
That was
click on
always-
remind, and then